Hello everyone, welcome to Harika's home cooking. I'm going to show you today how to make the famous sweet jangiri. They turned out really juicy and yummy. So let's go into the recipe now. 1 cup of urad dal, soaked it for 2 hours and I rinsed it, and I'm taking it into a blender and making it a fine paste. Don't add too much water, just I'm adding around 4 tablespoons of water. Once it's done, I'm checking the consistency. It should float in the water, that means it's in the right consistency. Now we are adding rest of the ingredients. Here I'm adding 1/4 tablespoon of salt, and I'm also adding 1.5 tablespoon of rice flour and food color, orange food color. This is mandatory because we don't get a good color if we don't add the food color in it. And I'm taking the egg whisker and whisking it around 4 to 5 minutes until you see the batter is fluffy and smooth. So I felt like I need some more color, so I'm adding it. So whisk it properly until you see this kind of texture to your batter. It took me around 4 minutes to whisk it. So again, now I've taken a pan. We are going to make the syrup now. I have taken 2.5 cups of sugar and added 1 cup of water and melt the sugar in the water. Just we need to melt it, don't overcook the syrup. And now when it is half thread to 1 thread consistency, I'm offing the stove now, and then after offing the stove I'm adding one little bit of orange color. Then I'm adding saffron, and I also added rose water, 1 tablespoon of rose water, and around 4 to 5 strands of saffron and little bit of color, and then mix it well. So give it a good mix and put it aside. This is lemon. I'm adding like 1 tablespoon of lemon just to make sure the crystals of the sugar is not forming in it. And now I have a cake decorating cone which is reusable. So I'm putting the cone, and I have a tip which is having a small hole to it, so I'm using this instead of the ziplock. If you don't have this, just use a ziplock and put the batter in it and cut at the end of the ziplock and use it like a jangri maker. So I filled it, and this is how we need to make the jangri. I'm just showing you for example in the plate. So this is the way we make the jangri shape. So if you're unable to make it, just give it a trial on a plate for 2 to 3 times until you get it a good shape. So I'm warming the oil. Don't overheat the oil. All this jangri should be fried in very low flame, around 4 to 5 medium flame. So I'm making all of my jangris here, and I'm cooking it in a low flame. Don't put in the high flame, you don't want to burn them. So after they are little bit of golden brown and crisp, I'm taking them directly into the syrup which we already prepared. So put the jangris directly into the syrup. Don't put them on the tissue paper, because when you put them hot directly, the sugar syrup will soak the jangris properly and they taste yum. See, I kept them directly into my syrup, and now they're ready. This is my next batch of jangris. I'm just wanted to show you how to make some more. So I'm making rest of my jangris here and put them directly in the sugar syrup and serve them hot and enjoy. I prefer them eating warm. They tasted really yummy. So this is how we make jangris. It's very simple and easy. Do try them and let me know how did it turned out for you. So these are the jangris ready to serve now. Look at them, they're so beautiful. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.